Hi everyone! Today, I'm super excited to color the Powerpuff Girls Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup. And here are the markers I'll be using. First, a yellow marker, an orange marker, a green marker, a sky blue marker, a red marker, and finally, a skin-colored marker. Okay friends, are you ready for a fun coloring adventure today? Let's get started.
The morning shines bright. Three little heroes ready to fight. Blossom leads with wisdom and grace. Bubbles brings a smile to every place. Buttercup strong with a fiery soul. Together they fight to keep the world whole. Made by a professor, genius and kind. Sugar, spice, and everything combined. They rise to the challenge, protect us all. Get ready for action when they hear the call. Powerpuff Girls, they're the heroes we need. Fighting off evil with courage and speed. Blossom, Bubbles, Buttercup stand tall. Together they answer every dangerous call. Plots with his wicked mind. The green gang causing trouble, unkind. But the girls unite, they never back down. Saving the day, they wear the hero's crown. When darkness falls, they light the way. Small but mighty, they save the day. Through every storm and every fight, the Powerpuff Girls shine so bright. Powerpuff Girls, they're the heroes we need. Fighting off evil with courage and speed. Blossom, Bubbles, Buttercup stand tall. Together they answer every dangerous call. Powerpuff Girls, they're the heroes we need. Fighting off evil with courage and speed. Blossom, Bubbles, Buttercup stand tall. Together they answer every dangerous call. In Townsville, the battle begins. Three little girls with big heart wins. Blossom leads with a plan so bright. Bubbles laughs, spreading delight. Buttercup's fierce, always on the go. Together they make the villains go low. Created with care by a brilliant mind. Sugar, spice, and a touch divine. They're ready to fight, they're ready to fly. They'll save the day and reach the sky. Powerpuff Girls, they're the ones we trust. Fighting for good, in them we must. Blossom, Bubble,